how to download Crusaders Kings 3 on PC. So if you want to download Crusaders King 3 on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search. And here you need to search for Crusaders King 3. Once you've searched for the video game, here you will have this kind of interface. You can simply scroll down and you will have the Steam option right here. You just need to simply click on Steam and you can log into your account, which will be on the top right. You will have the login option and login. And after that, scroll down and here you will have an option of play game. So if you want to play the Crusaders Kings 2, then it's free. But if you want a 3, then you need to pay for that. Or the other thing is you can open up your application if you have the application, Steam application, and then you need to search for Crusaders Kings 3. And after that, scroll down and here you can simply go with add to cart, go with view my cart, which is on the right side, and select the game that you would like to download, and then go with the right side, which has continue to payment option. And you just need to simply add your payment method, continue, and then pay for the game. Once you pay for the game, then you will have the download option right here. You can simply go and download the game from here. So that's how you can download the Crusader Kings 3 on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.